Hey guys, we're back, and I just wanted to do a quick video. Just got this in today. This is, I believe, my American Flyer Prewar Hiawatha set. I've been wanting one of these for many years. Haven't been able to get one. Just even an engine, because of the price has always been so high on these that a really nice one was always out of my price range, and the ones that really wasn't so nice were too pricey too. So, but this was my birthday, and I wanted to get something that I really wanted. Look at that. That is an American Flyer lumber car. Has the real original load. These were probably around 1938. I'd have to look in my book to make sure. They didn't wrap these real good. It seems like they're all wrapped in paper towels. And I'm sure you can see the rust on these. And that was part of the deal why, condition-wise, that I got them for what I got them for. I want to take my time with these and recondition them. Where needed, I'll probably do a little restoration work. Wow. Look at that. Now, keep in mind, this is old gauge. This is not wide standard gauge. This is old gauge. Look at all that rust, deterioration. Each one of those paper towels is covered with rust. How about that? That's the tinder. Looks like that's bent. It's going to take quite a bit of restoration. It's got all the wheels, and it looks like it has this is a whistling tinder. Set it down there. A lumber car. This one's a little rougher than the other. Doesn't have the straps across it. Doesn't matter. We'll fix it up. Is a green tanker. Wow. Now that's special. I do have some American Flyer Prewar. Matter of fact, S gauge is my thing, because that was the period that I came up in. But I've always loved Prewar, so I've always had a little Prewar. I do have some, but I don't have any of these. Here is the piece de resistance right here. Wow, look at that. plate's a little damaged. I think we can repair that. Make that look good again. Looks like I might have to redo the whole engine. Maybe not. Get it cleaned up. Get it all lubed. We're going to have a replacement wheel there. Drive wheel's good though. Rear wheels are starting to deteriorate. If we get this box out of the way. Now, can't see it, but it did come with its original transformer. And the cord looks pretty good on it. What I can see of it. Let me get this box out of the way. We'll set this down on the desk. Now this is all cast. Get that transformer back up where we can take a little better look at it. Cord's got a little. Nope, that's factory. Cord's actually not in too bad a shape to be as old as it is. I've replaced the cords on many of these. There's an extra wheel. Maybe I better go through the box. There might be some more in there. Okay, let me change this around a little bit now. Move the camera to where we can see a little better. This is actually nice, really nice condition. It's got its rails. Smokestack rim is still there. These are still there. They're covered with a little that green oxide. Should clean right up. Is missing some paint. Paint deterioration on the sides, both sides. Hiawatha on this one is almost perfect. That front decal is still good. And they did decal these, so it's a possibility if I had to, I could go back and put another decal on it. They're making those retro now. And it does have a bulb in it. I want to right now set it on the track and see if I can get it to run, but there's some things I could see that need to be done before I even begin to try to run it, besides oiling it and lubing it. But I'm going to oil it, lube it, and fix these things that's wrong with it, these minor things that I can see, and we'll do another video on it a little later on. Alright, just wanted to share that with you. my 1937-38 Hiawatha freight set. And to a lot of people, they'd say, oh, that's just a bunch of junk. But to me, this is really special. Really special. All right. That's it for now. As always, guys, happy rails to you. And remember, if you have any questions, any comments, please feel to contact me at gman1924 at hotmail.com. gman1924 at hotmail.com.